Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Binance to your TradingView account. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the TradingView app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, make sure you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to add Binance, first of all, you need to go to the chart section. Here you can see the chart icon at the bottom. Tap on it. In this chart section, here you can see the three dots icon. Tap on it. In this menu, you can see the connect broker option at the top. Tap on it. Here, if you scroll down, you can see the list of brokers that you can connect to. Now look for Binance. If you couldn't find it in the list, here you can choose this see all brokers option. And if you scroll down again, you can find Binance over here. So tap on Binance and then tap on connect. Now you will be prompted to the Binance login page. Here you can log in if you already have registered your account before, or you can create a new one if you don't have any account. After that, you can follow the prompts completely, and that's how you can add Binance to your TradingView account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.